the cat, Grrrr, to Purr by Teddy Snuggletale for comfy corner time. Listen very carefully. The question for this story is, who is Rufus? And what is he doing when Mimi finds him? Answers at the end. Yawn! Mimi yawned and stretched out her little paws, popping out her claws one by one, purring contented after a splendid catnap. Time for a quick lick and my morning bowl of cream, she mused. One last stretch and meow! Where was it? A gaping space loomed on the mat where once sat her precious creamy treasure. Mimi's temper was as hot as her fiery orange coat. With hackles up and brow furrowed, she set about finding the thief. "Look out when I catch up with you!" she shrieked. In the garden, Mimi's whiskers drooped and her tail wagged. Looking around, she caught sight of a grasshopper with suspicious white dots on its legs. Stealthily, she wound her sleek body down the long, winding path. "Ah, Mimi, is that your mysterious creamy river by the blueberry bush?" asked Greenstick. Mimi spied the bush eagerly, looking for any sign of her precious breakfast. She growled and continued on her quest to find the culprit. "Aha!" cried Mimi. There, nestled in comfortably amongst the juicy red strawberries, was Rufus. The sneaky little bloodhound was dipping plump, ripe berries into the cream. "That's my cream, Rufus," protested Mimi, fluffed up like a pufferfish. "Tennis," replied Rufus, very matter of fact. "Don't you know, it's the feline finale. Thought you might like to join me on the lawn for a picnic." "What?" Mimi asked, annoyed. "Your favourite player, Batty Paws, is in the final. See, I have the radio, your bowl of cream, and I've picked the strawberries. After all, what's tennis without strawberries and cream on the lawn?" "Oh, what a great idea!" purred Mimi, huddling in next to Rufus. Worries of a cream thief forgotten, the garden filled with the sounds of the tennis match. Purrr! Mimi cheered each time Batty Paws scored. Rufus, though not understanding the game, wagged his tail in joy. Creamy strawberries in paws, they leaned in closer to the radio, breath held in anticipation. Clock, 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 the sound of the ball echoed out. Then an almighty roar leapt out at them. "Game, set and match to Batty Paws!" cried the umpire. The crowd went wild, cheering and applauding. Mimi leaped with joy. Her last cream-covered strawberry stuck to her cheek. Rufus barked and howled, sharing in the victory. Oh, how they danced around the garden, their laughter and joy warm, infectious. Birds and butterflies swooped around them in a delightful, swirling dance. Later, as the sun began to set, Mimi and Rufus relaxed in the evening warmth. "You know what, Rufus?" Mimi said. "Today I learned something important." Rufus turned ears to attention in curiosity. I learned that sometimes what starts as a bad day can turn into the best day ever, if you have a friend by your side. Life is what you make of it. Even when you're feeling down, you can always find a reason to be joyful. Have you been listening carefully? Do you know who Rufus is and what he was doing? Yes, that's right. Rufus is a dog, a cheeky little bloodhound eating strawberries and cream. Well done! Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.